Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we are back with Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and 10 megapixel. The cover camera is 10 megapixel, right? Again, as you saw, there are two different prices. So one is for 512 GB and the other one is for 256 GB, but the RAM size is 12 GB here. Now if you look at this screen, so this is the cover screen, which is also fast. So this is 6.2 inches, which is the cover display, right? And that is also dynamic AMOLED, 387 ppi. Now this is the real Fold, and this size is 7.6 inch, 374 ppi, dynamic AMOLED again, and infinity flex. So the display is infinity flex display adaptive. Look at the camera quality again. As we said, it has a 12 megapixel camera. So this is not the 12 megapixel regular, but if you know the ultra camera, ultra wide angle and everything that is in there. Really fast and wide enough. Thank you for watching.